Sino nga ba si Johnnel Bauzon? Tara na't kilalanin natin sa aking video.
Hi, ako nga pala si Johnnel Bauzon, 21 years old. My height is 6'4". Nag-aaral ako sa Diliman College from Ordaneta,
Si Johnnel Bauzon ay kinoronahan ng Most Valuable Player ng Youth Basketball Cup. 3 beses siyang nag-MVP sa YC League. Nasungkit na rin ang Mythical 5 sa UCBL. Mythical 5 din siya sa Metro League. Ito naman ang kanyang mga highlights dunk na ginawa.
Isa pa nga, idol.
And Malabon get another 2 points here. Robbie Darang inside to Johnnel Bauzon for the slam and jam.
What a put-back jam by Johnnel Bauzon, bringing the crowd alive.
Hindi basta-basta si Johnnel Bauzon, kaya ito, pinatunayan niya ang kanyang laro sa UCBL.
Pasok ni Abdul Diang, nakaagaw si Aldrin Ligon. Ligon, drop pass inside at nabawian ni Johnnel Bauzon. Did knock it down. Now, yung assist department naman, 8-4 in favor of Olivares. Well, J-Boy Solis, surprisingly, could come up with a lot of good assists here for Olivares. And of course, nakita nga natin kanina, the setup para kay Yanni Eli. Samantala, Johnnel Bauzon. Underneath, pumasok si Shige.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng Diliman.
Bauzon goes for it for the three. Bang!
After a good defense, you come with...
Bauzon hitting another 3-point. Beyond the rebound, Robbie Darang nagmamadali. They have the numbers. Alley-oop! Papunta kay Johnnel Bauzon. Robbie Darang escapes from his defender going inside the Johnnel Bauzon, and I guess that'll be it.
Important.
Johnnel Bauzon with a dunk! Earned his official apparel of UCBL. I saw him kanina, round 10 of 16 lang Olivares. But this is a 3-point game right now. Molten is the official game ball of UCBL. Bauzon, Salazar inside of Bauzon. The reverse is in. Let go. Yanni Eli falls down. Kumagat sa fake ni Joe Eli. And quickly, Digno, the alley-oop. Oh, Johnnel Bauzon.
Bauzon was already kasi pinuntahan talaga siya kanina in that low post or post-up play.
PG Flex Linoleum. Hindi mauubos ang aming pasasalamat kay Boss Nelson Guevara for his full support to UCBL. Johnnel Bauzon off the glass gets the three. This ball game is a miss. Robbie Darang quickly going. Johnnel Bauzon. Bauzon against Iwalay. Premium 8 floor mat. Sinasamahan kami at hindi kami hihiwala ng premium 8 floor mat. Eto! It's a 3 this time. Kanina pa kinukursunada ni Johnnel Bauzon yan eh.
Ayaw niya kasi itira kanina.
Kanina na yung kay J-Boy
Oo
Solis eh.
Kinick out niya pa.
Bauzon, shot clock, down to 5. Baka maputukan uli. Etong Diliman, tingnan nga natin. Napunta kay Bauzon! Talk about a situation so tight that he was able to get out of trouble. Johnnel Bauzon, just in the nick of time, beating the buzzer. And now has a chance for a 3-point.